Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable landscape mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This option allows the screen to automatically switch to landscape mode when you turn the phone, which is ideal for watching video content, playing games, or using apps. We will go through simple steps that you need to follow to activate this feature and enhance your device experience. Get your phone ready and let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone. Right after that, scroll down until you see the home screen option and tap on it. Once you are in the home screen settings, scroll down and find the option called Rotate to Landscape Mode, then tap the switch next to it to activate it. After you activate this option, go back to the app drawer and then turn your phone. After you turn your phone, you will see that all applications will switch to horizontal view. And that's it. You have now activated landscape mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone. As you may have noticed, the screen automatically switches to horizontal position when you turn the phone, improving your viewing and app usage experience. However, keep in mind that the screen will not rotate in all applications. This feature only works in apps that support landscape mode. Try this feature in various apps and enjoy a wider view of the content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.